After 20 years in the business, I'm finally going to do it. I'm going to share with you the best kept secret in all of Utah real estate. Guys, my name is Rod with NextHome Navigator. I've been selling real estate for over 20 years. And here's the secret: the best time to sell your home in Utah is actually in the wintertime, it's not in the springtime. To give you an example, let me share with you exactly what's going on today with the Salt Lake County real estate market. I think this will give you a really good indication in black and white exactly what I mean. Guys, here we are, November 28th, and what I've done is I've put statistics together for Salt Lake County looking at October 28th, so exactly a month ago, versus today. So, to give you an indication of why now is the best time to be selling your home, we need to look at what creates the value of your home. The value of your home is always going to be dependent on supply and demand. Well, about a month ago, we had just under 3,700 homes on the market in Salt Lake County. Today, we're under 3,400, which means we're down in inventory 8% from 30 days ago. The number of new homes that have hit the market is also way down. It's down 35%. So in the prior 30 days, so September 28th to October 28th, we had almost 1,400 homes hit the market. Today, we've only had 900 homes hit the market in the last 30 days. Prior, we'd sold 982 homes in the prior 30 days, and today we're at 693. But let's look at this. We are down 29% in sold homes, but we're down 35% on new homes to the market. What does that mean? Well, it's actually a 6% improvement. If you're a seller, you have less competition on the market. Now, I know that's a small difference, but it is a difference nonetheless. And oftentimes, it's the little things that make all the difference in the world. When we come down, after we've gone through all of this in the last year, rolling year from October 28th of 22 to October 28th of 23, we sold about 11,285 homes in Salt Lake County. If I divide that by 12, that will give me the average number of homes sold per month. And when I take the total number of homes on the market divided by the average homes per month, I get a total month's worth of inventory. Here's what I mean: our inventory is better today than it was 30 days ago. When does all this change? It all changes in the springtime. Everybody who pulled their houses off the market are now going to be putting their houses back on the market at the same time. Inventory levels skyrocket. And then what happens is we have a slight increase in the number of buyers, but the total months of inventory gets worse in the springtime, not better. As a seller, a large inventory is not your friend. The best time to sell your home, if you live in our market, is not what everybody believes. The springtime is not the best time to have your home on the market. It's actually right now. Guys, if you get value from this, please, I'd love to hear you like it. I'd love to hear you comment. Let me hear what your concerns are, what your questions are. If you happen to be one of those people that recently pulled your house off the market, a lot of times it was at the suggestion of your real estate agent who hasn't figured out how to sell properties through the wintertime. If you are one of those and you'd like to figure out how we can create an advantage for you and not only get your house sold, but sell it for top dollar in this challenging market, reach out to us. We look forward to hearing back from you.